Hey traders, okay, in this video I want to cover the Australian dollar. This is Australian dollar 60-minute chart, and I thought I'd show you this because there's some interesting things happening here. The very first thing that you see here is I have a solid support and resistance line going through here. Let's just make that there. Let's click OK. Okay, so you can see this nice little resistance. You can see how it's been really respecting it here, with support, resistance. Have resistance, and it recently came up and hit that level there, creating an overall downward movement through there, possibly even a bit of a channel. Okay, so the dollar actually looks really weak where we are right now, and if we squeeze the chart up even more, and let's just go back here for a second. What I want to show you here is I want to show you how the market's actually reacted. Let me just take those. Yeah, so basically what's happened is the market's really overall stair-stepping up here. Stair-stepping all the way up. You can see it really bouncing off the moving average. If I move the chart over a bit, you can really see this moving average working really well here. You can see the nice little support there, resistance, little support, broke down. Okay, held a little support here and then ran back up. Big run back up. Support, and so on and so forth. So you can see this market here has been a really nice support and resistance. So let's actually move it in. Let's actually bring it into a bit of a smaller time frame now, or a smaller chart. And what we can see right now, you can see the market actually hit this resistance level here. Okay, you can see this support levels through here. Came up, hit this now as resistance, and now getting rejected. And it's also below the 150 moving average. Okay, so you just test it out, test your different moving averages out. But I found 150 to be pretty good. You see it rejected off there, came up, rejected again, and now it looks like it's going to spend a bit more time to the downside. So looking very weak here on Australian dollar. And once again, if you just scroll back here in the charts, you can really see the moving average working at its best. So if you are using, or if you are trading Australian dollar, look out for different things. Now, if you're looking at the Australian dollar, what you could do is you could do some parallel trend lines. Okay, so what we have here is big downtrend. Okay, if you draw a trend line from here to here, you can see that doesn't really do anything. But if you draw a trend line from here to here, that's the peak up there, right? This is this big bar here. That's when the FOMC announcement happened last night, as I recorded this video. Okay, so we're going to copy it, and now we're going to bring that up through there. And as we can see, if I just squeeze it in a bit more, that actually looks like it's a bit of a channel forming there. Okay, bit of a nice channel forming through there. So overall Australian dollar looks very weak. We were giving all these nice little higher troughs, little higher trough, screaming high, giving these little higher peaks, higher peak and higher peak. Then something what happened? It failed to give us another higher peak, ran down, and now we've made this low here, and now we've made this major high here. So the major trend is now shifting from going higher to now going low, and we're overall stair-stepping down in the overall movement. So that is the Australian dollar there. Once again, if you're trading the Australian dollar, just make sure that you're aware of the bigger picture as well. Bring up your 60-minute chart, and if you trade the 60-minute chart and then trade it through there, and by using the 60-minute chart, you can get a bigger picture of where the market's likely to go anyway. So even if you are trading a smaller time frame chart, bring up these bigger picture, these longer term time frame charts, as they can help you out. So okay, traders, make sure that you come down to tradingandinvesting4u.com. Jump into the free membership. Jump into the free trading rooms. Where I show you my screen. Chat with other traders about the Aussie market, the US market, and so on and so forth. Come down. It's free. Come down to tradingandinvesting4u.com. Jump into the trading room and enjoy the other company with the other traders there as well. So thanks again, guys, and I'll speak to you soon.